Hello and welcome to the Red Flag Studios YouTube channel. This is your host Fardeen Khan and you are watching the first video in the Java tutorial series. This tutorial series is for those who are interested in Java and are at a beginner level exploring the basic concepts as well as for advanced learners. Throughout the course, I will explain in detail the various concepts with code examples which will be available in the GitHub repositories. The link will be provided below. The next question is, what are we going to cover in this tutorial? So first of all, we will explore that why Java is such an important language to learn and why you are exploring it. What features does it possess? Then the history lesson about how Java came into existence and who were responsible for it. Then we will cover the various object-oriented programming concepts, the basic syntax and writing our first Java program, talking about the data types, functions, classes, etc. Then moving on to the next topic, we have collections, input output operation, multi-threading, GUI design, and some advanced topics. These may seem somewhat overwhelming to the beginner, but we will cover each of these topics in depth. So be with me in this journey as we move through these video tutorial series. If you like the video, you can show your support by subscribing to our channel so that you can get notified of the latest videos we upload. Thank you for watching and see you next time.